Hey guys, so sorry for the lighting and sorry for the background noise, but today I'm doing a slime video. Woo! So I love slime and I forgot about it for maybe 2 years, and then saw people doing slime videos and I'm like, yeah, okay. So we ordered a whole bunch of stuff online, but before that was my birthday, and one of my friends got me a slime kit, and I'm sure my mom was really happy. She ate slime, and I loved it, and it was so much fun. And then we ran out and stuff. So there's weird pink stuff. That's because I did that Jello slime stuff for Easter. So yeah. So I have my bowl, which is also gonna double as my container. C is weird. So it's gonna double as my container. A gel. I'm trying to poke it with. Oh, I got it. Okay. So it has 2 shaving creams. Ooh, this smells so good. Of this contact lens solution. What the? It comes with contacts, I guess. Contact lens solution thing. So I guess you can also use that as a thing, but I'm not gonna use that. And there's a whole bunch of instructions written all over the box. I'll show you. Hold on. 2 bottles, but there's can you see that? All over the box. All over it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna use this box to hold it, because it's handy dandy, you know? Handy dandy. Sorry for the background noise. The birds and then my brother laughing. And so why did I don't know. I was okay. And then of course some add-ins. I've got a box of add-ins. All these add-ins were from the other things, a whole bunch of paints, and then some fishbowl. I don't really like using fishbowl because it just falls out. A little bit of contact lens solution. I'm not going to use that one because I'm not sure if they're the same. So yeah. Foam beads, and then foam balls or whatever. Baking soda, which also came in that set, so that's pretty cool. So some glitter. I'm not going to be using that today. And then a spoon. I'm going to pick my color. I kind of want to go for a blue today. So, oh, this is also a measuring scoop. And this was only maybe $6. So it was pretty cheap, which is really good, because some of it was $50, and I was heck no. So, oh, this pink stuff is annoying me so much. Okay, whatever. Let's get started with the actual video. So I'm gonna make a little bit of a small batch because I don't want to make it too much and use too much of my stuff. So I'm losing breath while I'm talking because I'm talking so much. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of the glue in. Only a little bit. Oh, that was so satisfying. You guys didn't get to see that. Hold on, ready? Oh, yes. Yep. This is the most satisfying. Alright, that's gonna have to do. Alright, yeah. Alright, only a little bit, Aria. A tiny bit. Alright, that shall do. Yeah, that shall do. I believe we won't have to add any more glue. Scared me. I'm gonna add my shade color first. Should I? Yeah, I'm not going to just yet. I'm gonna make it a light blue. So add some of my shape gel. I have no clue how this comes out. Oh, it's pink. Shoot. Alright, that's good. Alright, this is a big slime. I might not even have to add any color. This might color it. Alright, I guess I'm making it purple, kind of. Oh, this is so... Wait. I feel like I have to add more glue. Because this gel is like, it's gel, and then it just like puffs up on you. Alright, hopefully it's mixed enough. And hopefully it comes together. Because if you put like a little bit of glue and then a lot of shaving cream, sometimes it won't come together. Alright, it smells weird mixed with the glue. I'm just gonna add a little more glue because I'm kind of scared. Alright, this is a big batch though. So, that's a really big slime, guys. But you know, some people add a whole gallon. And to be honest, the shaving cream kind of looks like it's activating it. Like a little bit. Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to add some food coloring. And I'm only going to add a little bit. It's kind of a lot though, because this is a huge slime. Hi, Dolce. Do you want to say hi? Really, girl? Oh, hi, Bo. You want to say hi? Really, bro? Alright, this popsicle stick is not big enough. Oh, yeah, and by the way, I have 2 dogs, and one of them is Dolce, and she is 15. And then we have Bo. He is 5 months and ginormous. So yeah, this is a really light blue. I'm sure it'll mix together a little more once, you know. I think I'm gonna get a spoon, so I'm gonna add some saline solution, but before I do that, I'm gonna add some baking soda. I don't know what baking soda does, but it kind of helps for some reason. Alright, so I added like a half of that cup thing, maybe even a little more. Hold on, I got some on the table. I might need to go wash my hands because it's deadly. Alright, whatever. Ow, it poked me, you hurt me. Alright, here we go. It has like a tiny nozzle. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna mix in the baking soda first. This is a huge batch. Do you guys not like make this big of a batch? Like, do you guys like? I don't know. I'm gonna put a little in. Alright, hopefully that's good. Bring my fork all the way down to the bottom, but I know I have to because, like, you know. Alright, I'm only adding like a tiny bit at a time, so like this might take a while. Stay in the shade. It's actually really hot right now. It's like so hot. But like then again, like, why wouldn't I? This is not activating. Okay, it definitely is activating. And just, you know. Alright, let's see. Yeah, definitely not slime yet. Alright, I definitely added way too much shaving cream because I can feel it thickening, but then when I touch it, it's like shaving cream basically. You know, that like it's posted, but it like, this slime doesn't work. I'm gonna be so mad. So mad. Oh, they're sitting next to each other. Alright. So I'm actually going to use the other container because this container is filled and stuff. So I don't want to really like empty that out because this slime is actually really good. I'm just going to use a little slime activator because it's a little sticky still, and I don't really want a slime that's going to stick to me the whole entire time I play with it. And yeah, so I know I've heard like some people have like different oils than other people, and that's why slime doesn't stick to the person that made it, but it sticks to the person that didn't make it. But it sticks to the person that like didn't make it because of your like oils. But I don't know if that's really true. But like I think it is true, but it's not true. I'm not sure. All right. So now this slime is basically activated fully, and it could use a tiny bit more. I've been saying this for the past few minutes, but it's really good though. Like it's really, really nice, really, really good, and I really love it. So, yeah. It's really stretchy, and I'm gonna add a little more contact lens solution because when you poke it, it's not like, it pokes so well, but it like sticks to you. So like, sorry slime, but a little bit more water, a little bit more liquid into your stomach. I don't even know where all of the activator goes, you know, into this glue. It saves the glue from dying from this terrible thing. It is super duper stretchy. Alright, let's see if I can do the ultimate slime girl. Alright, okay, I'm sweating out here. Alright, I gotta mix this. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, it sticks to my... Oh my god, why is that so good? This is the best slime I've ever made. Because I have all the right ingredients. So, the best, like, you gotta say... Okay, it's a little sticky. You can say, it's a little sticky, it looks like. And it's just a really pretty color, and it's awesome. Like, really cool scent. Ooh, that smells pretty good. A really nice scent, and it stretches really nicely. It clicks. Okay, let me just stop talking about my slime. Look how stretchy. It was kind of long. It took like maybe 20 minutes to make this. Like maybe less than 20 minutes. Maybe like 14 minutes to do this because it just took so long to like activate. So I think now it is really, really muchly worth it. And yeah, so it is really worth it. I really encourage you guys to make slime. If I had an Instagram or Facebook account, I would tell you to post a picture of your slime on there. But I don't, sadly. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and stay safe and positive.